Before you ever earned your first dollar, decisions about money were already being made for you, not by banks, not by the economy, but by something far more subtle: scripts. Invisible patterns you absorbed growing up, repeated without question, and carried into adulthood. If you want to start building smarter money habits, consider subscribing to Wealtiny, liking the video, and turning on the notification bell. Let's start with what a money script actually is. It's a core belief about money that feels true, even if you never consciously chose it. Over time, they become automatic. They become our financial system, one thinking fast, intuitive, and emotional defaults that run our lives without us noticing. First, there's money avoidance. This is the idea that money is bad, that rich people are greedy, or that you don't deserve money. Then there's money worship. This is the opposite belief, that more money will solve all of your problems and bring you happiness. Third is money status. This script links self-worth directly to net worth. These individuals feel the need to have the latest and greatest. And finally, there's money vigilance. This is the belief that you must be constantly watchful and secretive about your money. Pattern interrupt. You're not always making financial decisions. You're often following instructions you didn't realize you learned. These scripts are powerful because they are handed down through generations. Think of it as an intergenerational handoff of financial habits. You might get a promotion and start earning more, but your feeling of financial stress doesn't change. You still feel broke. When our brains are preoccupied with a lack of something, our cognitive function drops. It's like having a malware program running in the background. Week 1 is all about identification. Your goal this week is to become a detective of your own mind. Carry a small notebook. Week 2 is about deconstruction. Take your most common money script and ask, where did this belief come from? How is it limiting you? Week 3 is script rewriting. This is where you consciously create a new, empowering belief. Make it believable and action-oriented. Week 4 is about identity and automation. If your new script is "I am an investor," automate a small transfer into an investment account. Imagine a tiny town where everyone is running on outdated scripts. But then, one person becomes aware. Soon, the entire town transforms. Are your financial decisions truly yours? Or are they being guided by scripts you never chose? The journey to financial freedom starts now. If you want to keep learning how to take control of your financial life, subscribe to Wealtiny and like the video. Thanks for watching.